Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take a live photo with your iPhone. For those of you that don't know, a live photo, it's sort of like a small, very small video. So let me show you with an example. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go to our camera. My icon is right here, but if you can't find yours, you can find it in two ways. You can swipe down from the top right of your screen like so. And as you can see, here's the icon. You can click on that and it'll take you right to your photo. Okay, but you can also find it this way. You can swipe down from the middle of your screen like so and just type in the word camera. Okay, the icon appears, click on that, and we're back to camera. Okay, so we're going to hit right here on the top right on that little circle thingy, and right now it says live off, right? I'm gonna click it again and it says live. It's on. Okay, for this example I'm gonna use my hand and I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna click right here and immediately start moving, so we can use this as an example like so. Okay, so I finished that picture. I'm gonna click right here so I can view it. And okay, right now we just see my closed fist, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna click the screen and hold it there so we can see the small video like so. Okay, so you see it's a very short video, and you can see the picture that it's live. You know that it's a live picture because it indicates it right here. Okay, so what else can we do with this? We can, if we go to our photos, I'm gonna swipe up from the bottom of my screen. I'm gonna go to my photos. Mine is right here. I'm gonna click on that. Okay, as you can see, here's the live picture that we just took, and as you can see, the keyframe is a closed fist, but we can change that. Okay, I'm gonna click it again here. Okay, just for this example, I'm gonna click again like so. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to hit right here where it says edit. Okay, and right here we have this panel, this buttons. We're gonna hit the one that says live right here, this circle thingy. Click on that. Okay, and so we now have the live options. So what you can see here is right here you can see the fist. That's the keyframe that's selected. I can choose another one. I can, for example, choose this one. Okay, let's say I want to choose this one as my keyframe. So I can click here. I'm gonna click done. And I'm gonna go back to see all my photos. So as you can see, it changed now. It went from a closed fist to the keyframe that we selected. Now, another thing we can do to edit this is I'm gonna hit here again to open the photo, hit edit, hit the live button, okay? And we can also change this. For example, we can select here and make it shorter. We can cut out things that we don't want. Okay, and I'm gonna hit done, and now the video is shorter. I'm gonna play it again. And there you go. That's how you take a live photo, guys. So I hope this was helpful, and catch me on the next video so I can give you more helpful tips. Cheers.